Starting your day with the same routine, are you tired of going to work every day? Or let's say, you need to go. Daily work. Going through a lot of deadlines, stress, and pressure, but nothing you can do? But still, all your efforts are not enough? Angry boss? Hard work? Break free from disappointment and stress. On your break time, thinking and missing someone? Do you want to have more family time and freedom, but you don't know how? What are you waiting for? Don't waste your time. Do you want to be entrepreneur? No boss, no pressure and no stress, especially, you have your own time. We are just like you. I'm inviting you to watch free webinar. A webinar, a combination of the words web and seminar. Simply, register by your name and email. Now reach, and having a community of business owners with 60,000 people. Do you want to be part of it? A new exciting way, spending your day, giving you more time on yourself and your family. Giving you the freedom and stress-free life that you always wanted. No need to be an IT. No hassle, no need to be techie. We are here for you, with unlimited mentorship and coaching, giving you step-by-step guide. Walking you through all the aspect of social media platform and to the digital era. The best part? Business that you can do and take anywhere you wanted. The long wait is over. With webinar, achieve ideal lifestyle and happy life. Are you interested? Follow the link below. Visit us today at marivicdivinomarketing.com.